Hello student, welcome to third lecture of the topic indices. I have written some of the problem of exercise 8, problem number 15, 17, 19 of your textbook. Let us do question number 15 first part. You have to simplify it. Simplify. Now this 32 can be written in x in the form of exponent. 32 can be written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32. Therefore this can be written as 2 to the power 5 to the power 2 by 5 into this 4 2 to the power 2 to the power minus 1 by 2. Similarly 8 can be expressed 2 to the power q to the power 1 by 3 over 2 to the power minus 2 divided by this 64. This 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6 to the power minus 1 by 3. 2 to the power 5 32 and multiply by 2 we will get 64. So here 2 to the power 5, 64 would be 2 to the power 6. Now this is a to the power m to the power n, means here you have to apply the formula a to the power m to the power n, and this is equal to a to the power multiplied to power m into n. So therefore this can be written as 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 by 5 into this 2 to the power 2 minus 1 by 2 into 2 to the power 3 to the power 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power 6 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. Now this 5 and 5 would be cancelled out. Now these 2 and 2 cancelled out. 3 and 3 cancelled out. Here we have 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. Therefore we have 2 to the power 2, 5 cancel out, 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, and power 1 need not to write, therefore we have 2 upon 2 to the power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power 2 multiplied by minus 1, 2 to the power minus 2, 3 2 ja 6, this cancelled out, and 2 multiplied to minus 1, this will become minus 2. Therefore this will become 2 to the power minus 2. Now what we have, this can be written as 1 by 2, so therefore this will be 2 2 ja 4, and this will be 1 by 2 into 2, and if this divide this, both are same things. 2 to the power minus 2 divide 2 to the power minus 2, this will become 1, and therefore we have here on 2 and 2 would be cancel out, and this will be 4. Now let us do the second part of question number 15. Second part is 5 to the power 2 multiplied by x plus 6, 2 into x plus 6 into 25 to the power minus 7 plus 2x upon 125 to the power 2x. Here is 5. This can also be expressed power of 5, and this is also this can be written as 5 to the power 2x plus 12 into 5 to the power 2 to the power minus 7 plus 2x over 5 cube to the power 2x. 5 cube is 5, 5 that 25, again multiplied by 5, we have 125. So 125 can be written as 5 cube. Now we have 5 to the power 2x plus 12 multiplied by these two multiplied. Here we have 2 minus 14 and 4x over 3 to the 6, 5 to the power 6x. Now simplify further it. We have, see here the base 5, here also base 5, the base are same and two exponent have multiplied, base are same and multiplied, power would be added. So we have 5 to the power 2x plus 12 plus minus 14 plus 4x upon 5 to the power 6x. Now this can be written as 5 to the power 2x and 12 minus 14, this will become minus 2 plus 4x upon 5 to the power 6x. Now 2x and 4x, this is 6x, so this can be written as 5 to the power 6x minus 2 upon 5 to the power 6x. Now this can be written as 5 to the power 6x into 5 to the power minus 2 over 5 to the power 6x. 5 to the power 6x, 5 to the power 6x, both are same and would be cancelled out. Therefore, this can be written as 5 to the power minus 2, 1 upon 25. So therefore, this is final answer after simplifying this second one. Now we will do question number 17. Question number 17 is, first part is root over 32. 17, first part, root over 32 minus root 5 to the power 1 by 3, and this multiplied by root 32 plus root 5 to the power 1 by 3. This is written as a minus b and a plus b. This and this both have the same index, therefore both can be written in a single component as root 32 minus root 5 into root 32 plus root 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. Now you know that a to the power m and b to the power m, this becomes AB to the power m. Both A and B, the bases are different but index are same. So this can be, these two exponent can be written as a single exponent as a base AB to the power m. So this will become this. Now this is written as A minus B and A plus B. Now you know that A minus B multiplied by A plus B, this is equal to A square minus B square, means square difference formula. Apply square difference formula, you have, but you have square of this minus square of this, root 32 square minus root 5 whole square to the power 1 by 3, and after squaring this root would be cancelled out. We have here 32 minus 5 to the power 1 by 3. Now 32 minus 5, this is 27 to the power 1 by 3, and this can be written as 3 cube to the power 1 by 3. So 3 cube to the power 1 by 3, this will be cancelled out. We have 3, and this is the final answer of first part of question number 17. Now let us do second part. Second part is also based on an algebraic identity. Now let us write second part. X to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 into x to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 plus x to the power minus 2 by 3. This can be further written as x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 3. This can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 whole square plus x to the power 1 by 3 into x to the power minus 1 by 3 plus x to the power minus 1 by 3 whole square. Now see here, x to the power 2 by 3 can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 whole square. If you multiply 2 this will become 2 by 3, and similarly here also if you multiply minus 1 by 3 to 2, this will become minus 2 by 3, and at the place of 1 you can have x to the power 1 by 3 x to the power minus 1 by 3, because here base is same, and if you add the power this will be cancelled out and this will become x to the power 0 equal to 1. Therefore at the place of 1 you can write this. So this expression can be converted in this form. Now see here, if you write a formula a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Now a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, this is equal to a cube minus b cube. You already know this formula, this identity. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, square of first, product of both a and b, plus square of second, b square. So therefore after comparing this formula to this expression is exactly the same form as this formula is. So this can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube minus x to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. See here, a cube minus b cube, this will become a minus b, in the second bracket square of first, square of second, plus product of first and second. So now simplify this. You have This will be cancelled out, and this also cancelled out. We have x to the power 1. So this will be x minus x to the power minus 1. This can be further written as x minus 1 upon x. This is simplified form of this expression. Now let us do question number 19. I have taken it first part solution of first part of question number 19. Write this. You have Lm x to the power L x to the power m multiplied by here mn x to the power m upon x to the power n multiplied by n L x to the power n x to the power L. Now this is a surd, and index of this surd is this. Here index is mn, and for this surd index is nl. So this can be written as further x to the power L x to the power m to the power 1 upon Lm into x to the power m x to the power n to the power 1 upon mn into x to the power n upon x to the power L to the power 1 upon nl. Apply this. N into a, this can be written as a to the power 1 upon n. Now these surds can be expressed in exponential form as a to the power 1 upon n. What is your index here? You can write this equal to a to the power 1 upon n. This n is called the index of the surds. So we have written this in this form. Now this is x to the power L x to the power m, both have the same base. Now if you divide this exponent to this, if base is same, the index would be L minus m. This can be written as x to the power L minus m to the power 1 upon Lm. This can be written as x to the power m minus n to the power 1 upon mn, and this can be written as x to the power n minus L to the power 1 upon nl. Now multiply this to this. We have x to the power L minus m upon Lm into x to the power m minus n upon mn into x to the power n minus L upon nl. What we have got here? Here this exponent, and this exponent. There are 3 exponents we have multiplied, and base are same. So this can be written as, if base are same, power should be added. So this can be written as x to the power L minus m upon Lm plus m minus n upon mn plus n minus L upon nl. Now this is exponent power. Now this can be written as L m. If you divide this, what we have got here? L divided by Lm. What we have? L and L cancelled out. We have 1 upon m. And if you divide m by this, m and n cancel out. We have 1 upon L. So we have x to the power 1 upon m minus 1 upon L plus, after dividing this, we have 1 upon n minus 1 upon m plus 1 upon L minus 1 upon n. What we are seeing here? 1 upon m is positive and this is negative. This will be cancelled out. Minus 1 upon L, here we have plus 1 upon L, both are cancelled out. And similarly this is plus and this is minus, this will be cancelled out. So we have x to the power 0 and this will be equal to 1. Question number 19, its the second part is solution 19, second part. The problem is as x to the power a upon x to the power b to the power a square plus ab plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by x to the power b upon x to the power c to the power b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c upon x to the power a to the power c square plus ac plus a square. Now this can be written as x to the power a, x to the power b, x to the power a minus b. So this will be x to the power a minus b to the power a square plus ab plus b square into x to the power b minus c to the power b square plus bc plus c square into x to the power c minus a to the power c square plus ac plus a square. Now this is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This can be written as a cube minus b cube. So this will be x to the power a cube minus b cube. Similarly this will be x to the power b cube minus c cube into x to the power c cube minus a cube. Now the base are same. This can be written as x to the power a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Base are same, power would be added. Now this b cube and b cube of opposite sign cancelled out. Similarly a cube minus c cube plus c cube. We have here x to the power 0 and this is equal to 1. Now let us take third part of question number 19. This is x to the power b minus c minus b minus a and here minus ab minus bc minus ac. Only difference in this problem, here BCA is plus, here BCA is given in minus, and a product here is plus but here is minus. Both are the problem have the minor difference. Now simplify this. This can be written as x to the power a plus b to the power a square minus ab plus b square into x to the power b plus c to the power b square minus bc plus c square into x to the power c plus a to the power c square minus ac plus a square. Now if you multiply a plus b to this will become formula x to the power a cube plus b cube. The factor of a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, this will become x to the power b cube plus c cube, and similarly x to the power c cube plus a cube. Now base are same, index power would be added. This can be written as a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus c cube plus c cube plus a cube. What we have? Base are same here, and we have to add index. We have added index. Now a cube, this will become twice of a cube, and b cube twice of b cube, c cube twice of c cube. So this will become x to the power twice of a cube, twice of b cube, and twice of c cube. This a cube twice a cube, b cube twice of b cube, and c cube twice of c cube. Now take 2 common. We have x to the power twice of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now let us do question number 20. Solution of question number 20. The first part is a to the power minus 1, b to the power minus 1, a to the power minus 1 plus b to the power minus 1 multiplied by, divide by a to the power minus 2 minus b to the power minus 2. We have to simplify it. Now this can be written as 1 by a plus 1 by b. Remove this minus sign and it will be converted into positive index. Divide by, this is also 1 upon a square minus 1 upon b square. This negative index would be positive. Now solve this. We have b plus a over ab, divide by b square minus a square upon a square b square. Now if you change this sign, division by multiplication, this will be revert. So this will become a plus b upon ab multiplied by a square b square upon b square minus a square. Convert it into multiplication, this will be revert. Now this ab would be cancelled out by this power, and this can be written as b plus a and b minus a. So write here a plus b upon 1 multiplied by ab upon a plus b into a minus b. This a plus b and a plus b would be cancelled out. What we left here? ab upon a minus b. So final answer would be ab upon a minus b. Now let us do question number 20 second part. Question number 20 second part is as 1 upon 1 plus a to the power m minus n, 1 plus a to the power m minus n plus 1 upon 1 plus a to the power n minus m. Now this can be written as 1 upon 1 plus a to the power m into a to the power minus n, and after converting it into positive index, so this can be written as a to the power m upon a to the power n plus 1 upon 1 plus a to the power n upon a to the power m. Multiply this to 1, we get 1 upon a to the power n plus a to the power m upon a to the power n plus 1 upon a to the power m plus a to the power n upon a to the power m. So simplify, this will be a to the power n upon a to the power m plus a to the power n, and this can be written as a to the power m upon a to the power m plus a to the power n. Now both have the same denominator, so numerator would be added and this will become a to the power n plus a to the power m upon a to the power m plus a to the power n. Student, both are same things and would be cancelled out, and therefore we have 1. Now the rest problem of this exercise we will do in the next video. Thank you for watching.